Do you have a long flight coming up soon? Well, if you do, I'm going to tell you how you can get through a long international flight. If this is something you're interested in, then keep watching because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Payne from Up and Away. Thank you for stopping into my channel and welcome back. Are you planning a long flight? Well, I'm going to give you some essential tips for you to prepare yourself and to arrive in your destination refreshed, energized, and ready to explore. The first thing is booking the right flight. You should understand that some flights internationally will get you in their destination early in the morning. So that means you fly overnight. So you must prepare for that. There's a couple of things that will happen. You will have jet lag. You will be awake most of the night, but you still want to get up and explore the minute you land. So we're going to prepare you for just that type of occasion. You should look for direct flights. Direct flights will get you there and not have you spending a lot of time on a plane or in an airport and more time at your destination. The next thing is packing wisely. You should be sure that your carry-on bag has your necessities like a neck pillow or blanket. If your airline does not supply a blanket, you may want one because it might get chilly at night on that flight and you want to stay as cozy as possible. Be sure that you have snacks if you need them. Also, your needed medication. Have that in your carry-on, and you might even want to have a refillable water bottle. That helps because you want to stay hydrated throughout the flight. Trust me, these little comforts will make a big difference. The next thing is don't forget about entertainment. Your airlines may have a pretty good entertainment system, but wonder if they have something that is not suitable for you to watch while you're in flight. So prepare yourself by downloading movies or ebooks or anything that may keep you entertained while you're in flight. You should be sure that you're ready for anything. So having a plan B when it comes to entertainment is the smart thing to do. Now let's talk fashion. Be sure that you are wearing comfortable clothes, non-restricting clothes, because you're in this seat and moving around. If your clothes are too tight, you're going to be moving around, being uncomfortable. Wear something that's loose fitting, but also very comfortable. Doing layers is a plus because the cabin temperature may change depending on your destination. So be prepared to take off layers, put on layers, anything like that to make your flight more comfortable. As I said, you may want to have a refillable water bottle so you may stay hydrated. You can keep ice in your water bottle going through TSA's checkpoint. Once you get on the other side, fill it up with, there's a water fountain everywhere in an airport. Fill that water bottle up. At the least, ask the flight attendants for water to fill up your water bottle. Stay hydrated. Avoid caffeine and alcohol drinks. That can have you dehydrated more than the taste of it and being relaxed. I know I like to have a cocktail or two on the plane, but if you're gonna have a cocktail, have it early on and sleep it out so you don't have that drag when you get to your destination. If you are crossing time zones, you may want to start preparing yourself early on with your sleep pattern. Start changing it slowly during the time when you're at your home. Change your sleep pattern so that it fits with the destination that you're going to. Sometimes this is not possible because a lot of people, they wait to go on their vacation. They take a day off and they go the next day. That's not too wise. Get yourself acclimated to the time zone that you're going to be flying into. Another thing is remember to move. Walk the plane. Get up and stretch. I do this every time I'm doing a long distance flight. I go to the most open space and I stretch. I walk the plane several times. I walk up an aisle and down an aisle. Most people are asleep. You won't bother people. Sometimes you have to navigate past arms, feet, shoulders that are hanging out in the aisle, but that's okay. Go ahead, walk the plane, stretch when needed. Be sure that you're getting that in while you're in flight. It will make you a lot more comfortable and have you relaxed and energized once you get to your next destination. Meal planning is important because you don't want to get on a plane and find out that the meals they serve will not suit you. So you can request the menu in advance and also request a special meal. If you are vegan, request a vegan meal. Airlines will accommodate you. If you're lactose intolerant, ask for a dairy-free meal or gluten-free. They will accommodate you if you let them know in advance. Don't get in the air and need food and can't eat anything that they're giving you. Request it before you depart on your flight. Next one is staying healthy on your journey. Be sure you're carrying hand sanitizer and disinfectant wipes. Disinfectant wipes will help you to wipe down all the surfaces that you will be touching on the plane while you're in flight. I mean your onboard entertainment system, the screen, your armrest, all of those things need to be wiped down, along with the shade on the window. A lot of people miss this one, but wipe down the shade on the window because your hand will be touching that. And remember, if your hand was touching it, so was someone else's. So be sure you wipe down all surfaces and use hand sanitizer often. Preparation doesn't stop just on the flight. You need to research customs, regulations, and things like that for the destination that you're flying to. You do not want to get there and be in a place and you don't understand their customs. You don't understand what their rules and regulations is. Research this before you go on your flight to this new destination. Have your necessary documents, passport, visas, whatever you need, have that completed early on. I know going over to the UK, you need an ETA. Go ahead and apply for that ETA at least 30 days before you fly to that new destination. Be sure you got all those things in place before you go. Lastly, do not forget to plan mentally. You need to plan mentally. I mean, doing some deep breathing, doing some meditation, getting your mind and body as one during this long flight. By following these tips, you will be prepared, energized, relaxed, and ready for your destination when you finally land. But you must take this whole thing in account. Grab it, hold on to it, make it yours. If you have a long flight coming up, leave me a comment and let me know where you're going and how you prepare for your long flight. What is it you prepare for when you get on that plane and have that time in the air? Share this video with anyone that is preparing for a long flight. Be sure that you like and give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. Well, that's all I have. Until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman.